Hi everyone, Anastasia here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite medal split full tutorial with the most useful exercises. So if you are ready, wear your favorite activewear set, grab your yoga mat, or you can use any carpet or towel in your house. You don't need any equipment, and let's get started.
We are starting in a half lotus position. Deep breath, and we're doing this circle with our chest. And 1, all the way down, and back 2, and 3, and 4. Make sure your back is straight. And go other side. 1, and 2, and 3, all the way down. 4, and 5, and 6, and come back to center. Open up the arm to the side, do a rotation, hands up, and gently go to the side. Shoulders touches the knee, all the way down, and gently up. Other side. 1, open up. 2, hands up. 3, down. 4, we stay. 5, 6, up. 7 and 8. Few more. 1, 2, and 3, 4, we stay down. 5, 6, up. 7 and 8, and 1, open up to your max, and 3, 4, and we stay. 5, 6, and 7 and 8. A few more times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, up. 7 and 8. Other side. 1, 2, and 3, all the way down. Straight the elbow. 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. 8. Open one leg to the side. Straight the knee. Make sure you feel comfortable sitting here. Your hips on the floor. Hands up. And we go into the side. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And we stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Change legs. Open up another leg to the side. Hands up. We go down. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and we stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Up. The right leg is going front. We're going into deep lunge. Hands forward. Straight the back knee, and we do the hips rotation. 1, and come back. 2. Turn to the side. 3, come back front. 4, and 5, and 6. Make sure your front knee is not moving. 7, and 8. To the side. 1, and we stay here. We have 90 degrees in our feet, and we do the pushes with our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change legs. Make sure your knee is straight up on your feet, and we do the rotation with the hips. 1 to the side, and gently come back. 2, and 3 to the side, and come back. 4. Few more times. And 5, come back. 6, and 7, come back. 8, and we go to the side for pushes. Our hips doing pushes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we do the Spiderman from side to side. 1, and gently move to side 2. Make sure your hips as low as possible, and 3, help with your arms, and 4, check your knees. Knees are looking up to the sky. 1, and move to other. 2, and 3, and we gently going down to the floor on our hips. 4, open your leg as wide as possible. Straight your knee, make sure you feel comfortable here. And we lean to the right leg. 1, up, 2, to the left. 3, up, 4, few more times, and 1, and 2, and 3, all the way down. 4, make sure your posture is straight. 1, and 2, exhale. 3, up, 4, and 5, and we come back to center. 6. Now we are going to lean forward with our torso. Gently go down. 1, up, 2, and 3, up, 4. Make sure your back is straight. 5, 6, and 7, 8, all the way down. 1, and 2, few more times, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Our hands goes forward and we stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure you stay as low as possible. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. We're going up straight to our next exercise. We are standing on our knee. The right leg is going to the side, straight the knee, and the leg is going up. 1, down. 2, and we slide to the side to the half middle split, and we do push forward, push back to the center, and come back. One more. 1, 2, slide. 3, 4, push forward. 5, push backward. 6, in the middle, and come back to normal. Few more time. And 1, 2, slide. 3, to the elbows. 4, push forward. 5, push back. 6, center, come back. 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, slide. 3, 4, and we stay down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Push a little bit more for the last seconds. Now we change legs and we gently put the leg up. 1 and 2, slide. 3, 4, push forward. 5, push back. 6, come back. 8, and 1, 2, 3, all the way down. 4, push forward. 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Few more times. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and slide. 3, straight the knee. 4, and 5, 6, come back. 7, and 8, up. 1, down. 2, slide to the side, and 4, and push forward, push back to the center, and come back. Great, finish the exercise. Good job. Now let's slowly get into the middle split. So when you go down on the middle split, there is a 2 variation how you can put your feet. The first variation is when your feet is looking up. We're using a little bit different muscles in two kinds of variations, so you can choose both of them and to see which one is work best for you. The second variation, which is my favorite, our feet looks a little bit inside. So this variation is my favorite because in this kind of middle split, we opening our hips to the max, and it feels really good to stretch those inner muscles, inner thighs. So I'm going to stay in this middle split variation, and I suggest this to you as well. And we're going to hold the split for 50 seconds. Just make sure your knees are straight. It's very important in the middle split. And we stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. That's awesome. Finish. So if you want to get the middle split really fast, my suggestion is to do the second round and the third round and to stay in the middle split as long as possible, so your muscles are going to get used to this position, and that's when they finally relaxed and release the tension and will let you go lower and lower.
Thank you very much for watching this video and training with me. Please don't forget to put a like and a comment telling me about how do you feel after those exercises. Also subscribe to my channel so you are not missing any new video which are coming very soon. See ya! Bye!